Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have access. Now act. Open your email and focus the search bar. Type the sender or a unique keyword to narrow results quickly. For wider coverage, add a date range and use quotes for exact phrases. This reduces noise. Once done, expand the scope by checking archive, spam, and trash folders because messages often hide there. Make sure to note labels, folders, and any connected accounts that might contain the older message. Now refine. Apply advanced operators like from, subject, has, attachment before, and after to target the message precisely. You're looking for patterns, attachments, unique words, or approximate dates, so combine operators for better hits. Next, sort results by date or size to place likely candidates at the top. Open messages and inspect headers if you need origin details. Also verify linked accounts and local mail clients, because older mail can live on a desktop app or a synced archive. You're at the finish line. Restore found messages to your inbox or export them as EML/mbox for safekeeping, then move them to a labeled folder so they don't vanish again. If the message isn't visible, contact the sender for a resend and check server backups or admin recovery options when available. Troubleshoot by resensing a map, verifying retention or deletion policies, and running mailbox recovery tools. This resolves most missing email problems when normal searches fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.